Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio, and we've got another truck we're getting ready to put on the lot today. I wanted to share this with you. This is a 2012 Dodge Ram. It's a 2500 diesel, so it's got the 6.7 Cummins Turbo Diesel Engine in it. So we're going to do a quick walk around here and we'll show you the outside. We'll go on the inside. This is a very clean looking truck. Nice wheels, aftermarket wheels and tires on here. You got the running board. One thing I wanted to note, you see on your side mirrors, you got your turn signals. Now these are heated. I don't know if you can see the emblem right there. So you do have heated mirrors on this. Go back here, you do have the 6.5 foot bed. It does have a liner inside of it. Chrome bumper on the back. It does have the receiver and the wiring here for two different types of sets of lights. So let's go ahead and take a look at the bed. Okay, here you go. You see it's already had the cutout. So if you ever want to do some hauling, you've got the capability of doing that. You can see in the back glass it does have a slider window in that. So we'll continue to do our walk around. As you can see, nice and clean. Dark tinted windows on the truck. Let's take a look on the inside. Okay, you can see you got the two-tone collar in here. You've got the black, light black collar, and then the tan. And it does have the patterns in that. Single collar black door panels on this. And you can see the heating vents back here. Headliner appears to be in good condition. So let's go ahead and take a look up front. Okay, here we'll take a peek up front. You can see what it looks like here. We'll go ahead and hop up inside here in just a moment. Show you the door panel over here. It does have a few scuffs on it, but then again, we're talking a truck that's got 9 years on it. All your window and locks controls here. Trailer brake assist right here. Your lighting control here. So let's go ahead and hop up inside. Okay guys, here we are on the inside of the truck. Get up here a little bit closer and you can see the gauges. You got controls here on your left side of your wheel, cruise control settings on the right side. You do have rotary dial here for your transfer case of two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive. And you get over here into the main command center. You can notice it does have a CD player built into it. It does have satellite radio, Sirius XM compatibility with this. Get down here to your climate control. And you do have 3 cup holders here. And you've got a 12 volt here and a 12 volt here to power your accessories. And let's go ahead and we'll pan around. I'll show you the back. So as you can see, you got a couple cup of holders here, but there is all kinds of leg room that is back here. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That concludes our tour. Newest addition to our family here, 2012 Dodge Ram 2500 diesel. It's got the 6.7 Cummins Turbo engine in it. Aftermarket tires and rims. Nice package on this. Nice truck. Very nice truck. But if you have any questions, feel free to give us a phone call up here. Come up for a test drive. Be happy to put you in this truck. We got a lot of financing options available. So with that, I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye for now.